Just a little bit of guidance about the free software that you have by downloading the free version of the Drummond envelope and the Drummond PL dot. Already just from this basic chart you can see how effective it can be. We cycle from the envelope bottom to the envelope top and back down again, and we can measure degree of progress within the envelope, and also when it breaks the envelope and we see the PL dots going sideways or driving up forward. So it can be very useful, but we want to know that time frame coordination is a very important part of our methodology. So you can see what happens now if we apply this to a different time frame. We have a monthly here now. We can see, for example, this level down in here and the subsequent month. Let's go back and look at that on the daily chart that we just looked at. You can see that this level down in here, one month was the monthly envelope bottom, and it came down for a retest. It'd be very helpful to be able to see that. Well, we understand that this is an elementary piece of software that we give away for free, but let's take a look at how sophisticated and useful it can be if we start to coordinate these tools together. Okay, here we have a daily chart with the monthly software overlaid on it, and we've added a little bit of color and dimension to the envelopes here, so we can see now we're able to make some judgments about how this chart is relating to the higher time period. We can begin to see, for example, that as we move through the monthly PL dot and on up, it starts to test the monthly envelope top. Now, if we want to get a little more indication of the sophistication of this, we can take a look inside the daily bar as well for the let's take a look at the interior components of this. Now we can see the support and resistance levels on each individual bar, so we can begin to see that the 5-2 holds here, the 5-9 holds here, 5-2 is holding here. On the lower end, we're seeing the 6-1s hold as we move through congestion and so forth. So it begins to be very, very helpful to get a little better indication of this now. But we can go further on this. Let's just take a look at going further 1 second. Now we can take a look at the intraday bar with the daily levels overlaid on it. So now we can see in detail how for example, the daily over here, the daily 6-1 manages to as this hourly is moving on up through it and then stopping up here and so forth. Also where it comes down and tests the 1-1 low and the 5-9 on the daily. So you can start to see the intraday action as well as the higher time period action on the monthly and the weekly and the daily and so forth. So this is the meat and potatoes of our software, is the time frame coordination plus the detailed visualization of support and resistance in the future, so we monitor the market going forward. So all of this is available on the silver level software that you can get. It comes with the silver level, and there's a good set of instructions about what's going on with these different indicators along with that. So it's a pretty good deal and very, very powerful, strong software that's available to you. So I just wanted to give you this little overview. We'll have other videos describing the progression from silver into gold and gold into platinum software down the road here.